Hey, what's going on, y'all? Back here with another POV video. Just got out of the gym, so I was like, might as well film another POV because man, I don't be getting enough content in. So it's a little startup. Alright. Let me waste no time. Let's get into it, y'all. Man, how y'all been? And all that. I actually just posted like the other day, so I don't know what I'm saying. Talking like I haven't posted in like days. So like in 2 weeks, I'm finna get this thing lowered on sport springs. So I did, oh look, there's a M240i? Or, I mean M340i, what am I talking about? That's not 240i back. Around these I'm trying to get around those people like that whole time, bro. Holy, oh my gosh, bro. All of a sudden society has forgot how to drive. Well, actually, everybody knows that Houston is known for the bad drivers. And that's just the whole Houston area. That's not even like just Houston. That's like every city surrounding Houston. Like where I'm at right now, Richmond. It's like a spreading virus. Like I said, waste no time. Alright, but that right lane is mad bumpy for no reason, bro. Better watch out. There was like a cop or something. I think it was a cop. Like, I don't know. The cops in this area, for some reason, do not keep their radars on. Like, I thought that, like, a lot of them roll and run. Not run, what am I talking about? They drive with their radars off nowadays. They're like, I don't know, in this area at least. Like, in Houston, when I was downtown earlier, my radar did not stop. I heard KA band the whole time I was driving until I got out of the city. It was so annoying. Y'all see that coolant level, man. That's what you call good cooling system. Hey, if your car isn't cooling in sport mode well, you need to get an upgraded coolant system. I'm telling y'all, man. Upgraded coolant system, upgraded coils, upgraded spark plugs. Trust me, that engine will be staying fresh. X-Drive, man. You already know, man. It grips the ground like... grips the ground like nothing else. That's why I want to get a next car. I want to get G80 or F80. Well, I don't know. I'm debating on F80 because I don't know. It's kind of going outdated. Still a beautiful, beautiful car, but a lot of their shit is going on recall, man. And I really don't... Y'all hear that downpipe? Oh shit. I don't really want a vehicle that's gonna have a lot of recall soon. So that's why I kind of want to go G80, like 2021, 2022 maybe. Possibly just 2021. I like the look of those. But yeah, 2025 would be a blessing, but I gotta get rich, man. I gotta get rich. I think I'm trying to work my way into getting dealership, man. If anybody works at a dealership and can give me a tip on like actually how to get a job at it, like a salesman. I mean, like I've worked and like I have good marketing. Like I've had a reselling business for like 2 years. And I haven't like been doing it recently too much, but no, that was not gunning it, bro. That was just regular driving. That'd be like stock 0 to 60 right there. Stock 0 to 60. This thing is not stock. Very far from stock. It's about just as upgraded as it can be besides flex fuel. That's like the only thing I need before like you would have to upgrade the turbos. Someone told me that this road is not like so dark. That road is mad dark, man, for no reason either. No reason for that road to be that dark, man. No reason. Oh, man. I should have took pictures earlier of my car. What am I doing, man? Oh. My head, bro. Is in so much pain. I have like this bad migraine, man. Everything is just hurting. It's not gotten better. Uh-oh. Nah, I'm trolling. That's usually like a false alarm or ambulance or like some EMS car. It's usually what it always is. Dude, did this dude just start back up his car? Okay. That guy was about to kill us both. I wasn't in. I better slow down. Especially right now. Dude, y'all hear that? That shit sound like, I don't even know how to describe that noise. It just sounds like little ducks. If that's the right way to put it. Sounds like little ducks are squealing. Why does that happen? Shit. I don't know, man. Yeah, I honestly don't know. Dude, I want to get some freaking rollers, bro. It's just like, I swear, bro. I'm low-key friendless, man. Not like that, but like, I just don't be hanging out with people that I'm, like, here and there, yeah. I'm like, not like saying like I'm friendless, but just letting on y'all know, this is a slow map as well. Like, this is my map more for noise. This is a lower graded map though. This map isn't like, it's more for the burbles. Low-key wish that I kept a resonator at least one resonator. I'm about to pull into this gas station right here. About to take far pictures on the far right side. Bang! The hell was that noise, bro? Holy shit. Oh, let me put my car back in the other map. There you go, map 3. That's my higher crank map, by the way. Yeah, man. Once again, little outro. The car again. Yeah, man. I appreciate y'all guys for your support. Give me the 200 subs. On the road to 1K. Hasn't even been half a year yet. We is booming, man. Hear that clicking? Not that clicking. It's like the exhaust. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like the extra fumes spitting out. Yeah, man. Appreciate y'all guys so much, man. I hope you guys tap in for the videos to come, man. I got some other stuff planned. I'm gonna stay more consistent. Appreciate the support. Thank you, man. Y'all have a nice day. And make sure to like, comment, sub. Oh, y'all have a nice night. Make sure to like, comment, sub. Leave a comment down below. Show some support to the Instagram at ASAP Drop 'em. And then TikTok is Slow330i, man. And yeah, man, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.